Welcome to the epic face-off between two heavy-duty vacuum cleaners. In the red corner, we have the Rainbow E2, a high-end canister vacuum which uses water to trap dust and allergens, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. And in the blue corner, we have the Dyson Ball Animal 3, an upright vacuum specially designed for homes with pets. It features Dyson's ball technology for smooth maneuvering and a motor bar cleaner head that automatically detangles hair on carpets and hard floors. So, in this video, we'll compare both of these powerful vacuums on cleaning performance, ease of use, and maintenance to see which one offers the best value for your money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Round 1. Cleaning performance. The Rainbow E2 offers over 80 CFM, giving it a slight edge when it comes to lifting stubborn debris from various surfaces. You can use it on low speed as an air purifier and high speed for powerful vacuuming performance. Its water-based filtration system captures nearly all dust, dirt, and allergens in water, keeping them from escaping back into the air. The Dyson Ball Animal 3 isn't far behind with 84 CFM and a HEPA filtration system that efficiently captures even the tiniest of dust, pet dander, and allergens. Let's compare both vacuums on different surfaces. On hardwood floors, Rainbow E2 is very gentle and efficient, leaving surfaces clean without scratches or residue. However, it can feel bulkier to operate and less versatile in tighter spaces. Dyson Ball Animal also performs excellently, picking up dust and debris without scattering particles. Its motor bar cleaner head includes special detangling vanes that remove tangled hair from the brush while you clean. This stops hair from wrapping around the brush, so it picks up more hair and needs less maintenance. On low-pile carpets, Rainbow E2 does a solid job using its water-based system to lift dirt, although you might need to make multiple passes for heavily soiled areas. Dyson 2 delivers deep suction to lift embedded dirt and pet hair efficiently. The strong suction, while very effective, may make it feel slightly harder to push. On high-pile carpets, Rainbow agitates fibers, removing debris hiding deep in the carpet, but can be hard to push. Dyson 2 can be a bit tough to maneuver due to the dense fibers. Adjusting cleaning modes can help. Both vacuums are equally efficient. The Dyson Ball Animal 3 stands out as the better for pet hair removal. Round 2. Ease of use. Rainbow E2 weighs about 19 pounds and is less agile to move around, especially on stairs or in tight areas. Its cord length is 25 feet, often requiring more frequent unplugging and repositioning. However, it operates at a quiet 60 decibels. It lacks the same level of steering maneuverability as Dyson, and navigating around furniture requires more effort. On the upside, it includes a wide array of attachments and accessories, including power nozzles, dusting brushes, and crevice tools, making it very versatile. It also features LED lights to see around dark spaces. Dyson Ball Animal 3 weighs around 17.33 pounds, but its ball mechanism significantly enhances maneuverability, making it easy to steer around furniture, tight corners, and baseboards. It features an impressive 50 feet of total reach, including cord, wand, and hose, giving it excellent range without constantly switching outlets. The vacuum has a noise level of 75 decibels, which can feel slightly loud in smaller spaces. It also comes with specialized tools like the stair tool and a combination tool, enhancing its usability across different cleaning tasks. However, it doesn't have LED lights. Overall, Dyson Ball Animal 3 is the winner for maneuverable ball design. Round 3. Ease of maintenance. Rainbow E2 uses a water basin instead of a dustbin, which must be emptied and thoroughly rinsed after every single use. Its HEPA filters are washable, but you do need to replace them. Original Rainbow HEPA filters need replacing only after 3 to 4 years, but generic filters need changing every 6 months. For Dyson Ball Animal 3, you need to empty the dustbin as soon as the dirt reaches the max level. Luckily, it needs just a simple push of a button. The HEPA filter must be rinsed under cold water once a month and replaced every 12 months. Despite its detangling tech, pet hair can get stuck on the brush bar, but you can remove them using a coin or flathead screwdriver. It's a close call, but the Dyson Ball Animal 3 takes the win for easy-to-clean dustbin. Round 4. Warranty and customer support. The Rainbow E2 includes a comprehensive 10-year labor warranty through authorized dealers. Many reviews on platforms like Consumer Affairs and Trustpilot point out problems like dealers not responding or not honoring warranty claims. On the other hand, Dyson provides a 5-year warranty, covering manufacturing defects in materials and workmanship. Dyson support can be hit or miss. Some people have great experiences, others don't get timely responses. Also, replacement parts can get pricey. With all said and done, here's our final takeaway. The Rainbow E2 is great for deep cleaning and allergy control, provided you don't mind lack maneuverability and extra maintenance. On the other hand, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 is built for modern homes, especially those with pets. It's lightweight, easy to use, low maintenance, and performs decently across all surfaces. Have you used the Rainbow or Dyson vacuums? Share your experiences in the comments below. And for another helpful cleaning guide, watch this next.